Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 4 in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am your computer teacher. Now we will start lesson number 3, more about Windows 7. So now all of you look at in your textbook. We will start chapter number 3, more about Windows 7. But before starting our today's topic, first we will see what you had learned in this lesson. So student, all of you know very well what you had learned in this lesson. First, we had learned the Windows is the most popular used operating system. Windows is the operating system. Then desktop. What is the desktop? When you switch on your computer and start Windows, the first screen that you see after the Windows software has loaded is called the desktop. When you are starting your computer, after starting your computer, whatever the main screen is looking on our desktop, whichever the screen look on the desktop, this is known as the desktop. Means whatever the screen is looking on our monitor screen, this is known as the desktop. Then what is the icon, student? All of you know very well what is the icon. The desktop contains the small picture. In the desktop have a small pictures. That picture is known as the icon. That small picture is known as the icons. Then after we had done the computer icons. In the computer icons, some icons is present. For example, local disk C, then DVD drive, like that. There are present some icons. In the computer icon is whatever you store on your computer is assembled from the icon is called computer. Whatever you are doing work in the computer, that all works is saved in the computer icons. Then wallpaper. So what is the wallpaper and what is the screensaver? The background image that you see the desktop. The background picture that you see on the desktop, this is known as the wallpaper. And what is the screensaver? The image that you see when your computer is idle for a specified time is called a screensaver. When your computer is specified for some specific times, so that is known as the screensaver. And when you are starting your computer, after the start your computer, first screen that is looking after starting your computer, then first screen is looking, this is known as the screensaver. After the putting the password, before the putting the password, whatever the screen is looking, this is known as the screensaver. Then we will see the how to change our wallpaper and screensaver. So for that we will clicking the start buttons. Then after we are clicking the control panels. In the control panels we are clicking the personalize option. Then after there have come the gallery. From that gallery we are changing the picture of wallpaper. Then after same process for changing the screensaver. So first we are clicking in the start button, then personalization, then after clicking the personalization option, then we are clicking the screensaver, then screensaver setting. After the clicking the screensaver, like that setting is coming, from that setting we are changing the screensaver. Then after we had done the Window Explorer. So what is the Window Explorer? Window Explorer is the program that helping viewing and managing files and folder. Window Explorer, this is the program that is help to viewing and managing the files and folders. विंडो एक्सप्लोरर एक प्रोग्राम है, उसमें हम फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स को व्यू कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं और उसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं. उसको क्या कर सकते हैं? मैनेज कर सकते हैं. So how to open Window Explorer? So click on the start button, then all program, accessories and Window Explorer. So after the clicking accessories, we are clicking like that signs, means this is the Window Explorer. Then after libraries, library have a four default. You can see the special type of folder called the libraries. in the library have a some special type of the folder. In the library have a some special type of the folder. In the library have a 4 default folders. So which 4 default folder is present in the library? Documents, music, picture and videos. These are the 4 default folder present in the library. So these are then after we had done the how to create new folder. So for that we will click. So first Window Explorer have a 2 parts. Window Explorer have a 2 parts. So one is the left and one is the right. So left pan is known as the navigation and right pan is known as the only right pan. So in the left pan is displayed the drive and folder. So which is the main drive and folder. This is shown in the navigation pan, and what then in the right pan this is the show, this is the display folders and file whichever present in that folder. नेविगेशन पैन में हमें जो फोल्डर दिखते हैं उस पे अगर हम क्लिक करेंगे, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल डेस्कटॉप, तो डेस्कटॉप पे जैसे हम क्लिक कर देंगे तो डेस्कटॉप के अंदर कौन से फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स है वो हमें कहाँ पे दिख जाएगा? राइट पैन पे दिख जाएगा. नाउ वी वांट टू क्रिएट अ न्यू फोल्डर्स. सो हाउ टू क्रिएट? सो फर्स्ट वी विल गो इन द राइट पैन पे जाएंगे, वहां पे जाके माउस की राइट वाली बटन दबाएंगे. देन आफ्टर देयर हैव अ वन ऑप्शन न्यू में से हम वहां पे न्यू पे जैसे क्लिक करेंगे तो वहां पे फोल्डर, शॉर्टकट ऐसे ऑप्शंस आता है, फाइल्स आते हैं. तो उसमें से जो हमें फोल्डर लेना है तो हम फोल्डर पे क्लिक कर देंगे. देन आफ्टर वी विल गिव नेम दैट फोल्डर्स. देन आफ्टर वी विल गिव द रीनेम ऑफ द फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर. Now we want to rename our files and folders. So how to give? So for that we will click that folders and files right button. उस फाइल और फोल्डर पे जाएंगे and then after we will click the right button. After the clicking right button then there is the one option is rename. वहाँ पे एक रीनेम करके ऑप्शन होगा लाइक दैट. उस पे क्लिक करेंगे तो वो जो फाइल और फोल्डर है वो क्या हो जाएगा? लाइक दैट ऐसे ब्लू कलर का हो जाएगा. देन आफ्टर वी विल राइट देयर नेम, फिर उस पे हम नाम लिख देंगे. देन कॉपी एंड मूविंग द फाइल्स और अ फोल्डर. कॉपी मीन्स copying is the file and folder, placing in the another location without removing it from the original location. Copy means this folder is present in the 2 place. Copy जब करेंगे वो folders कितने place पे हो जाएगा? 2 place पे हो जाएगा. But we are doing the मूविंग मीन्स कट होता है. तो कट मीन्स क्या हो जाएगा? वो फोल्डर जिस जगह से है उस जगह से हमें दूसरे जगह पे लेके जाना है तो उसके लिए हम कट करेंगे. मूविंग द फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम द ओरिजिनल लोकेशन. ओरिजिनल लोकेशन से उसको क्या कर देंगे? शिफ्ट कर देंगे टू अनदर लोकेशन पे उसको शिफ्ट कर देंगे. Then how to do copy and cut? So we will click that folders and file right button. Then after there have a option copy, cut. So we will click on the copy. अगर वो हमें copy करना है तो copy पे click करेंगे. Then we want to cut, so we will click on the cuts. So copy करेंगे, then copy करके वो जहाँ पे हमें paste करना है तो वहाँ पे जाके Control V करेंगे. अदरवाइज यहाँ पे पेस्ट का ऑप्शन है वो करेंगे. देन अगर हमें कट करना है तो कट पे क्लिक करेंगे और देन उसके बाद पेस्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे जहाँ पे पेस्ट करना है. सो शॉर्टकट की फॉर द कॉपी Ctrl+C, फॉर द कट Ctrl+X एंड पेस्ट फॉर द Ctrl+V. these are the shortcut की copy, cut and paste. Then after we had done the how to delete our files and folder. So first we will go that folders and then after we will click the right button. Then after clicking the right button there is the option is the delete. डिलीट पे जाके क्लिक करेंगे, अदरवाइज उस फोल्डर पे हम एरो लेके जाएंगे, उसको क्लिक करेंगे और हमारे कीबोर्ड में डिलीट नाम की बटन होती है उस पर क्लिक करेंगे। देन वो जो फाइल और फोल्डर है अगर हमने परमानेंटली डिलीट करना है, सो डिलीट जब हम करेंगे सिर्फ डिलीट के बटन दबाएंगे तो वो फाइल्स और फोल्डर रिसाइकल बिन में वो स्टोर हो जाएगा। अगर वो फाइल्स और फोल्डर हमें परमानेंटली डिलीट करना है तो उसके लिए हमें शिफ्ट प्लस डिलीट की बटन दबानी पड़ती है। शिफ्ट प्लस डिलीट ये अगर बटन हम साथ में दबाएंगे तो वो फाइल्स और फोल्डर जो है वो परमानेंटली क्या हो जाएगा, डिलीट हो जाएगा, वो रिसाइकल बिन में भी स्टोर नहीं होगा। So two method for deleting the folders and files. So first we will click that folders and files right button of the mouse. Then after there have a delete option. So we'll click on the delete button. So then files and folder will be deletes. And again second step, then we will click that folders and files लेफ्ट बटन से वो फाइल और फोल्डर को हम सिलेक्ट कर देंगे। आफ्टर द सिलेक्टिंग दैट फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर देन वी विल क्लिक द डिलीट बटन्स विच एवर प्रेजेंट ऑन अवर कीबोर्ड। देन that files and folder we want to delete permanently, so we will click shift plus delete button so that files and folders will be deleted permanently. So these are we had done in the our last class. So now we will start the gadgets. So before starting these gadgets, how to open gadgets. So first I will show you one video about this topic. So now all of you look at here.
Desktop gadgets can be added to the desktop to keep information and tools at your fingertips for quick use. To add gadgets to the desktop, go down to Start, then go up to Control Panel. In the Control Panel, click on Appearance and Personalization. Then click on Desktop Gadgets. This will display all of the desktop gadgets that Windows 7 has pre-installed on the operating system. If you want a little more information about the gadget, just select it by clicking on it once. Then click on the small arrow at the bottom that says Show Details. This will display the full title of the gadget and also give you a brief description. If you would like to get more gadgets, click Get More Gadgets Online at the bottom right of the window. This will take you to a Microsoft web page where you can download more of them. To add the gadget you want, just click and hold on it, then drag it over to the desktop. I'm going to add the CPU meter and the clock to the desktop. If you would like to modify one of the gadgets, just right-click on it. On the clock, I'm going to go to the options and type in a name for it. Then I'm going to go down and select the drop-down list for the time zone and change it to the one I want. If I want, I can even add the second hand by selecting the checkbox here. If you would like to move the gadget, just click and hold on it and drag it to the location that you would like to place it. Another feature that is nice is to change the opacity of the gadget so that we can see through it. To do that, right-click on it and go down to Opacity and then select one of the options. When I hover over it, the gadget goes back to its original brightness. The last setting that I want to show you is to make the gadget always show over the top of windows. Right now, if I drag a window over the top of the gadget, they get covered up. To change that, right-click on the gadget and select Always on Top. Now when I drag a window over it, the gadget shows up on top of the window instead of getting covered up. This concludes a look at how to add gadgets to your Windows 7 desktop.
I hope all of you understood how to change gadgets. So now we will see in the textbook. The gadgets are the small program that you can place on your desktop. Gadgets is the small program that you can place on your desktop for information at a glance. So that's all of you underline statement. Gadgets is the small program that you can place on your desktop for information at a glance. Windows 7 give you option to add calendar, clock, weather information, etc. on your desktop. So gadgets. In the gadgets have some options. In the gadgets have which option? Calendar, clock, weather information in our computer. When we want to change our calendar, calculator, weather information. So for that we will click on the gadgets option. So where is present? After the clicking, to add the gadgets, right click on the desktop and select the gadgets. We will click right buttons on the desktop. Desktop पे right button click करेंगे. Then after clicking the right button, there have a one option gadgets. जैसे gadgets पे click कर देंगे तो हमें like that screen वहाँ पे आ जाएगी. The gadgets gallery will be appear. Select the drugs and gadgets you want to place them anywhere on the desktop. हम डेस्कटॉप पे कहीं पे भी उसको क्या कर सकते हैं? एनीवेयर यू वांट टू प्लेस, उसको कहीं पे भी प्लेस कर सकते हैं. कस्टमाइज द गैजेट्स. क्लॉक द ऑप्शन इज बटन. वहाँ पे क्लॉक नाम के एक ऑप्शन होते हैं. टू क्लॉक डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर. हियर यू कैन सी यूर परफॉर्म क्लॉक, परफेक्ट क्लॉक. फाइनली क्लिक द ओके. जब अगर हमें क्लॉक का टाइम चेंज करना है तो वहाँ पे क्लॉक पे जाके क्लिक करेंगे और वहाँ पे क्लॉक पे जाके हमें जो भी टाइम सेट करना है वो सेट करके वहाँ पे हम ओके बटन दबाएंगे. सो लाइक दैट कैलेंडर में भी कर सकते हैं, वेदर में भी कर सकते हैं. वो ऑटोमेटिकली आता है बाय इंटरनेट से वो ऑटोमेटिकली भी आता है. सो लाइक दैट we can change the time by using the clock. We can change the calendar, then we can change the weather. So this one is the gadget. So this is our lesson. So I hope all of you nicely understood lesson. So now all of you look at here tricky term. So first is the desktop. The first screen that appear when you start your computer. This is known as the desktop. When you start your computer, after the starting computer, first screen whatever the appear, this is known as the desktop. Then file, a collection of data and information. Files mean a collection of data and information, and folder mean used to store a group of files with a data on the same different subject. This is known as the folder. Wallpaper, the background image on your desktop of a computer. The background image on the desktop of the computer. Screensaver, an image see on the computer when it is the ideal for the special time. When your computer ideal for the special time. So whatever the screen is looking, this is known as the screensaver. Libraries, specify the folder that are your contain the one type of the single folder. In the library have a 4 default folders. So in that 4 default folder we can store our files. Then rename, give a rename, giving a rename to a exiting files or folder. Copy, make a duplicate of files or folder in the designation folder without removing it from the source folder. Then moving, rename files or folders from the source folders and shift it to a designation folder. Then gadgets, small program that you can place on your desktop for information at a glance. So this is a tricky terms. Now look at here, memory byte. So you can access anything on your computer from computer icon. You can access anything on your computer from the computer icons. All work that you do on the desktop is stored in the form of file. You are doing the whatever the work in the computer that store in the computer icons. All works you can on the computer is stored in the files and folders. Folder which is looking like a plastic folder used for carrying important documents can store other files and a folder inside it. जैसे प्लास्टिक का फोल्डर होता है, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, डॉक्यूमेंट्स कैरी करते हैं. सेम फोल्डर भी वही है, फोल्डर के अंदर बहुत सारे फाइल्स होते हैं. Then control panel. Control panel is allowed to use changes setting of your computer. Control panel हमें हेल्प करेगा जो हमारे कंप्यूटर की सेटिंग है उसको चेंज करने के लिए. A wallpaper and screen saver can be changed through a personalization gallery. wallpaper और screen saver को हम चेंज करेंगे personalized gallery में से. Window Explorer is used to view and manage the files and folder. Window Explorer हमें help करेगा view and managing the files and folder. Using the Window Explorer, files or folder can be renamed, copy, move and delete. विंडो एक्सप्लोरर से हमारे फाइल्स और फोल्डर को हम रीनेम कर सकते हैं, कॉपी कर सकते हैं, मूव कर सकते हैं एंड डिलीट कर सकते हैं. गैजेट्स कैन बी इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द वेदर, डेट्स, टाइम, न्यूज, पजल्स एंड मेनी मोर. गैजेट्स में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है वेदर के बारे में, डेट के बारे में, टाइम्स, न्यूज़पेपर, पजल्स एंड मेनी मोर. सो दिस is the memory bytes. Now all of you look at in the exercise. So first question is filling the blanks with the correct word. यहाँ पे word दी है वो हमें filling the blanks में put करना है. So now all of you look at here. First is the libraries, background, computer, personalization and address. So now look at here. Whatever is stored in your computer is assembled for the icon calls. जो कुछ भी हम कंप्यूटर में वर्क करेंगे वो सेव होता है. जहाँ पे सेव होता है उस आइकॉन को क्या नाम है, कंप्यूटर. उस आइकॉन का नाम क्या है, कंप्यूटर. कंप्यूटर का नाम का जो आइकॉन्स होता है उसमें जो कुछ भी हम कंप्यूटर में वर्क करेंगे वो स्टोर होता है. वॉट एवर इज स्टोर ऑन योर कंप्यूटर इज असेंबल फ्रॉम द आइकॉन्स इज कॉल्ड द कंप्यूटर. लुक एट हियर, यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट बुक में है. Whatever is stored in your computer is assembled from the icons is called the computer. जो कुछ भी हम कंप्यूटर में वर्क करेंगे वो कहाँ पे सेव होता है, कंप्यूटर के आइकॉन में सेव होता है. Then B number. The filling the blanks image desktop is called the wallpaper. जो हमारी डेस्कटॉप पे स्क्रीन दिखती है वॉलपेपर होता है उसको क्या बोला जाता है, बैकग्राउंड इमेज. उसको क्या बोलते हैं, बैकग्राउंड इमेज. BACKGROUND बैकग्राउंड. द बैकग्राउंड इमेज ऑफ द डेस्कटॉप इज कॉल्ड द वॉलपेपर. उसको क्या बोलेंगे, वॉलपेपर. जो हमारे डेस्कटॉप पे वॉलपेपर दिखता है उसको क्या बोला जाता है, बैकग्राउंड इमेज. द फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स गैलरी हेल्प यू चेंज द वॉलपेपर एंड स्क्रीन सेवर. कौन से गैलरी हमें हेल्प करती है वॉलपेपर एंड स्क्रीन सेवर को चेंज करने के लिए. यस, नाउ लुक एट हियर ओनली राइटिंग द वॉलपेपर एंड स्क्रीन सेवर कैन बी चेंज थ्रू अ पर्सनलाइजेशन गैलरी. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, पर्सनलाइजेशन गैलरी. PERSONALIZATION. Personalization gallery help you change wallpaper and screen saver. Personalization gallery हमें हेल्प करती है wallpaper and screen saver को चेंज करने के लिए. The filling the blanks bar show the paths of current folder. कौन सा बार हमें शो करता है कि बार शो टू पाथ ऑफ करंट फोल्डर। सो कौन सा बार हमें शो करता है? एड्रेस बार। एड्रेस बार इज शो द पार्ट्स ऑफ करंट फोल्डर। तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा एड्रेस, ADDRESS एड्रेस। एड्रेस बार शो पार्ट्स ऑफ करंट फोल्डर। Then E number, filling the blanks are collection of stored contents of one time. Filling the blanks are collection of stored contents of one time. So कहाँ पे store होते हैं? वहाँ पे कौन से 4 default folders present होते हैं? Library. Library are the collection of stored content of one time. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा library, LIBRARES libraries. Libraries are collection of stored contents of one type. तो ये वन टाइम का कलेक्शन है जिसमें हम स्टोर करते हैं. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स विथ द करेक्ट वर्ड्स. Now question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4, answer the following. These are the we will be see in our next period. So this question number 1, filling the blanks with the correct word, these are you write in your textbook. So I hope all of you nicely understood. Thank you and have a nice day.